Need to service your BMW, but can't afford to be without your car for a couple of days? Don't worry, we got you. My name is Tim, and I'm your host at Bimmer PhD. And today, I want to introduce you to the ladies of Bimmer PhD. Yes, our loaner cars. Let's meet the ladies. This is Roxy. She's a 2014 BMW X1 with 130,000 miles. Small, nimble, and she'll take you around town, and very reliable. How did we get to this mileage? Maintenance. Meet Sophie. She's a 2012 BMW X3, and she's got a lot of good features. At 151,000 miles, she's reliable with luxury. Meet Heidi. She's a 2003 BMW 330i Sport with an M package. We rescued her and put a lot of love into her suspension, engine, and transmission. Fast, but feisty. Let's see how many miles she's got. 172 and still kicking strong. Oh, the 5 Series. Beautiful. This is Debbie. She's a 2003 BMW 530i with a dining package. She has the highest mileage of our team. Beautiful interior. Still has spunk, and she's not afraid to show you that she can go fast. 256,000 miles. Beautiful. Meet Lucy. She's a 2006 530i, and she's got bells and whistles. This was Johanna's old car. It's got the sports package in it. Still looks beautiful on the inside. And with 198,000 miles, she shows that she can last. Now, why do we have these loaner cars? Because we as a team at Bimmer PhD recognize that auto repair is inconvenient. Yes. Nobody wakes up in the morning and says, oh boy, I can't wait to go get my car fixed. Well, I do, but anyhow, the reason why we have these cars is because we recognize that sometimes things happen, right? But without your vehicle, you lose your freedom. And therefore, we've offered 7 of our loaner cars to make life a little bit more convenient for you folks. So, if you schedule an appointment, request a loaner car, and qualify for the expectations, we'll send you the loaner car agreement. And then we'll be happy to take care of yours while you take care of ours. Thanks for watching.